Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 available on your Android device? So I already installed the application what Baseus offer for the headphones. And right here in the application we can check available devices. So we need to open it and then click a device. Already I set up this application. So a device, and then we need to click at this hand icon at the right top. And right here we need to select Headwear series because we have headphones. So our model is Bowie H1, and if we find this model in the device list, it means that the application available for these headphones. So right here we have H1i, but this one is another model. So maybe we need to scroll down. Yes, and right here at the right bottom we have our model. So my short answer is yes. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application, or if you don't know how to add these headphones to the application, you can check videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!